Welcome back to Design Talk. I'm Jamie.
And I'm Alex. Today we're diving into a topic that can transform your space: decluttering.
Yes, a lot of people feel overwhelmed by clutter, but it doesn't have to be that way. We'll be sharing our one-step solution technique to tackle it.
Exactly. It's all about making it manageable. So, Jamie, what's the first thing someone should do?
Start with a small area, maybe just a drawer or a corner of a room. It's less intimidating that way.
That's a great tip. And once you have your small area, what's the next step?
The next step is to sort items into 3 categories: keep, donate, and discard. This helps you make quick decisions without second guessing.
I love that. And here's a little trick: use a timer. Set it for 15 or 20 minutes and focus on just that area until the timer goes off.
That adds a bit of urgency, doesn't it? Plus, it can make the task feel less daunting.
Exactly. And when the timer goes off, take a break. Celebrate your progress, even if it's just a small space.
That's important. It keeps your motivation up. And don't forget, when you donate, think of local charities that might benefit from your items.
Yes, it feels great to give back. And what about the things you decide to keep?
For those, try to find a designated spot for each item. Everything should have its home, so it's easy to put things back.
Absolutely. And if you find yourself holding on to things just in case, ask yourself if you've used it in the last year. If not, it might be time to let go.
That's a tough but necessary question. So what's our final tip for today?
Keep it consistent. Dedicate a few minutes each week to declutter a space. It's like a mini cleaning session that prevents buildup.
Great advice, Alex. That wraps up our decluttering talk. Remember, it's all about small, consistent steps.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. We have plenty of interesting content coming your way.
Thanks for tuning in, everyone. Until next time, happy decluttering.